The implicit intricacy is really, really different in each person. And some people have always said that, of course. Each person is a completely irreplaceable take on the universe, or whatever you want to call that whole thing. And when they're gone, that's gone. And you can get somebody better, smarter, bigger, anything. But that one you can't get back. Each person is a completely different take. If you make concepts from down there, you're going to tell us things that nobody else can. And nobody else will. But that starts with where things are unclear. If you just take my concepts and all the other concepts you know and rearrange them, that we have all that in the library. You would have to go to where you have some living that hasn't spoken. If you speak from there, because we're each completely different, and yet we're all interhumanly social, so that what you are living there is completely different. But if you speak from there, then we can all relate to it. And so the more autistic something is, I always say, the more private and autistic and unspeakable and having that soggy quality, that's you-ness, the further down there it is, the more meaningful it's going to be when you can speak from it. Because it'll be further away from all the jabber that we have anyway. Okay. That individuality is so interesting, because if somebody comes and sits down, you can know that that's what you have there. And they may not say anything interesting, they may say only trite things, but they're one of those, if you can get them speaking from there, right? Now that degree of individual irreplaceableness, many theories don't have.